We'll explain what are the most important things that you need to keep in mind. We'll understand what is finance business partnering. Okay, so let's see what is finance business partnering according to different expert organizations or expert institutes. So as per KPMG and Institute of Management Accountants, which is Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, finance business partnering is interpreting, explaining, driving performance within the organization. Also, they say that it is supporting and influencing key operational and strategic decisions. So this is what the definition of finance business partnering is according to KPMG and Institute of Management Accountants. As per some of the big four, so as per EY, what they said in one of their publications is that finance business partnering is working with commercial leaders to drive improved performance, facilitate transparency of financial information across the organization. So facilitating transparency of financial information across the organization, ensuring business decisions are grounded in sound financial analysis. So this is what EY says. One of the publications from Deloitte, it mentioned finance business partnering is supporting the strategic and the tactical priorities of the business by delivering insights and guidance and supporting the growth and the future performance. So again, insights and guidance and growth, supporting the growth and future performance. According to ACCA, which is another accounting body, it says finance business partnering is moving from hindsight and oversight to insight and foresight. So meaning from moving from past to the future. As per PwC, what they shared in one of their publications is finance business partnering means moving from being reactive to becoming proactive. So from moving from being a scorekeeper commentator to becoming a caretaker and a business partner. So these are more accounting activities, which are mandatory activities, being able to keep the scores and do commentaries, while these are more value added activities, which are business skills or business partnering skills. Okay, as per Business Partnering Institute, what they say is finance business partnering is insights into influence is equal to impact, meaning if you want to become good finance business partner, you need to share insights, you need to have influence, and when you are able to share insights and when you are able to have that influence to be able to implement those recommendations, when what you suggest, that's when you will be able to create the impact. Okay, so you looking at all of these definitions, all the 7-8 definitions, some common themes emerge. So looking at the most common ones, it is being able to do sound financial analysis. So this came across in a lot of definitions. Being able to drive future growth and future performance. This also came across in multiple definitions. Being able to create impact, being able to influence business decisions. This also came across in many definitions. Being able to share insights, being able to share not just data, not just information, but insights. So we'll take a look at that, how to do that in the next few slides. Being able to build relationships and understanding the business. So to be able to do all of this, you need to have a strong understanding of the business. So these are the most common themes that come or emerge out of the definitions that we saw.